What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, I have two cases in front of me. UAG was kind enough to send me out these two cases for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So what do we have? First, we're going to talk about the Monarch Kevlar case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Kevlar is a nice, rich product. Very sturdy. This is drop tested at 20 feet. This does not have a MagSafe, and this Kevlar version of the Monarch series case, this case will currently run you $79.95 plus tax. You can get these in two different colors. The color they sent me out was the Kevlar elemental green color, and you can also get it in the Kevlar black, but they sent me the Kevlar green color. So pretty much we're just going to take a look around the case, unbox it, see how we like it. So we're just going to open it up like so. This is a nice detailed case. I can already tell you that, and the way it feels, this feels amazing. I'm not a big fan of the green and the orange, but this feels amazing. And the Kevlar in the middle, you hear that? That's nice. You know your phone is going to be good and protected with that being built with Kevlar. So here's my 15 Pro Max going in the Kevlar Monarch case. Look at that. That actually does look really, really nice if you're someone that likes that green orange kind of accent right there. With this case, with the Monarch, you have no worries. Look at how thick you get that lip. That's a big lip right there, boy. It's a big lip around the edge. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you have nothing. I mean exactly nothing to worry about. Coming over to the side, you do get access to your power button. It's nice and clicky. You do get some ridge kind of grips here for grip. I'm sure this is for grip. They feel really, really good. Down here, you do get access to your cables like you should, your USB Type-C and your microphones. Down here you get two lanyard loops if you're into that kind of thing. You get the same design on this side with the grip protection. It feels so nice. You get your volume up and down button, which are nice clicky. You get really good access to the action button, as you can see there. On the back here, you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat on the table upright, you should be good to go. And then, like I said, it says UAG, as you can see that. And it has little fake screws. But overall, this does feel nice. It's a big case. But with the iPhone 15 Pro Max already being lightweight, it's not adding any kind of bulk to your iPhone. This does really look nice. So now we're going to switch it over to the carbon fiber brand because they sent me one out in carbon fiber. It still has the exact same drop protection, but this case will run you... The carbon fiber case will run you, it's a little cheaper. The carbon fiber, you can get this one for a little bit cheaper than you would get the Kevlar, because Kevlar is a lot more richer product than carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is a nice product too, though. You can get this one for $59.95. That's plus tax. You get this in the black colorway, which is what they sent me here. You can get this in a red and black colorway right there, which looks nice. Or you can get it in the dark blue and black colorway. But don't worry, I will have a link in the description to where you can go pick these cases up for yourself. So let's do the exact same thing with the carbon fiber brand. This is that carbon fiber in the middle. real carbon fiber in the case. That is really, really nice. That's a really nice touch, and it feels good in the hand. This feels just like the other case, except for you get carbon fiber in the middle instead of Kevlar. And I like the look at this case a lot better because this is all black, you know. Like I said, I'm not really a orange and green kind of fan, but you know, it's nice. But this really does look good. We will test it out again with MagSafe. MagSafe works just like expected. Wireless charger will work also if you can get a good reading, which is kind of iffy because these are big, kind of bulky cases, but I'm sure it'll work. But anyways, if wireless charging doesn't work, then you also have access to your USB-C charging cable that'll work just fine. No trouble sticking the plug into the device. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.